I've already caught one fish that I didn't get on camera. That was 2 pounds and 28 ounces. Come on. I just got stuck on the other dock. Be careful on this next dock because there's an anchor on a boat that's sticking out. I hate boats that have anchors that stick out like 10 feet. I hate anchors because then you gotta try to get around them. It's the hardest thing to do when you're fishing on docks. Finally, some clear docks with no boats at them. Can finally fish with no anchors and stuff in the way. Now this dock right here is my favorite dock. Yesterday I caught a 3-pounder on it. There's one, guys. Oh, come on, he swallowed it. Now I'm gonna have a hard time getting the hook out. Here, you got some water, buddy? I hate fish that do this. I need the lure to come off the hook. There we go. It's a nice one. Pretty decent. I want to weigh him. I just gotta get him in some water. Gotta roll my sleeve up so I can get him. $2.23. Not a bad fish. Okay, that fish I finally got back in the water after fishing it out of the live well. Because I put it in the live well so I could weigh it but it needed to get some water because I got it off the hook. And I didn't want to put it in the water and then it just jump and I'll probably drop it and then it would probably go in the water. Good. I put it in the live well and finally got it out. And it was 2.23. Another nice one today. My second good one today. Got 2.28 and 2.23. Gotta get back to my pole so no fish bites it, and then my pole's gone. It's gone. Thought I was stuck on that branch.